Theta cost really equivalent to $0.6484 a coin in a sort of enormous manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.6124-0.6538, which really is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.6228, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change certainly was plus 0.0256, plus 4.11%. Backwards rate, USD to Theta, which especially is very huge. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $0.61, most extreme 0.65, truly least 0.57 and in every practical sense, significant way. Theta conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $0.60, truly greatest 0.64, extremely least 0.56, which especially is very critical. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.60, beautiful most extreme 0.64, lovely least 0.56 amazingly. Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.59, genuinely most extreme 0.63, genuinely least 0.55, showing how the earlier day close, 0.6228 in a truly significant way. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.52, exceptionally greatest 0.56, genuinely least 0.48, which generally is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $0.51, sort of most extreme 0.55, genuinely least 0.47, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.51, truly most extreme 0.55, least 0.47, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.48, kind of greatest 0.51, essentially least 0.45. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.49, especially most extreme 0.52, least 0.46 in a truly significant way. In about 14 days Theta figure on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.45, extremely greatest 0.48, truly least 0.42 in a kind of large manner. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.45, most extreme 0.48, by and large least 0.42 in an especially significant manner. Theta estimate on Monday, July 3, cost $0.45, kind of most extreme 0.48, truly least 0.42 and in every way that really matters, huge way. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.43, kind of greatest 0.46, kind of least 0.40. Theta conjecture on Friday, July 7, cost $0.43, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.46, especially least 0.40, which for the most part is very huge. Theta estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.44, for the most part greatest 0.47, beautiful least 0.41, or so they essentially thought. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost $0.44, in every practical sense, greatest 0.47, most certainly least 0.41, which especially is very huge. In about a month Theta conjecture on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.44, essentially most extreme 0.47, truly least 0.41, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.44, extremely greatest 0.47, exceptionally least 0.41, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Theta conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost $0.43, certainly greatest 0.46, in every practical sense, least 0.40. USD to Theta conversion standard truly equivalent to 1.5421 coins per $1 in a truly significant manner. Today, S reach 1.5295 minus 1.6328. The past day, S nearby 1.6057 in a significant way. Change for now 0.0636. 3.96% in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost 1.639 coins, really greatest 1.754, sort of least 1.538 in a truly significant manner. USD to Theta expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 1.667 coins, especially greatest 1.786, genuinely least 1.563 in a fundamentally significant way. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.667 coins. Greatest 1.786, kind of least 1.563 in a huge way. In multi-week dollar to Theta estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.923 coins. Sort of greatest 2.083, least 1.786 in an every way that really matters, huge way. USD to Theta forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 1.961 coins. Most certainly greatest 2.128, especially least 1.818, which especially is very critical. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, June 26, cost 1.961 coins, especially greatest 2.128, genuinely least 1.818, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost 2.083 coins, in every way that really matters. Greatest 2.222, in every way that really matters, least 1.961, which especially is very huge. Dollar to Theta estimate on Wednesday, June 28, cost 2.041 coins, kind of most extreme 2.174, genuinely least 1.923, which sort of is very critical. In about 14 days USD to Theta forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 2.222 coins, kind of greatest 2.381, fundamentally least 2.083, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta gauge on Friday, June 30, cost 2.222 coins. Beautiful most extreme 2.381, least 2.083. So Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.44, genuinely greatest 0.47, especially least 0.41, which really is very huge. USD to Theta forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost 2.222 coins, certainly greatest 2.381, really least 2.083, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks dollar to Theta conjecture on Thursday, July 6, cost 2.326 coins, genuinely greatest 2.500, lovely least 2.174, which essentially is genuinely huge. USD to Theta forecast on Friday, July 7, cost 2.326 coins, fundamentally most extreme 2.500, exceptionally least 2.174, which is very critical. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost 2.273 coins, really greatest 2.439, genuinely least 2.128, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, July 12, cost 2.273 coins, certainly greatest 2.439, especially least 2.128 in an unpretentious way. In about a month USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost 2.273 coins, truly most extreme 2.439, sort of least 2.128 in a genuinely significant manner. Dollar to Theta gauge on Friday, July 14, cost 2.273 coins, genuine